Like,
it needs to be on high. Lord.
Oh yeah, here's our ribs.
I got one.
Yeah, we have okra, some macaroni. Deshaun's helping me wheelbarrow this in. Honestly, y'all, I don't think they're gonna take it back. Look how dirty it is.
Oh my God. It has to be over here because there's so much water. We gotta try to find this hole. There's a hole in here.
What's up, Fire Squad? We are going out and about. We got some stuff to do today. And 4th of July's coming up too. Ooh, almost here. You ready to do some fireworks, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just asked K Money, I'm like, yo, so cause we're at Dickies Bar, and I'm like, do you want to get it to go? And she's like, you don't eat barbecue in a car. I'm like, who are you? First of all,
eat barbecue in the car. It makes
what happened to my wife? Because she said it like in a mean way and it scared me. I was shaking in my boots. Okay.
Y'all know those are lies.
I never seen a woman just get so angry.
But this dude don't even have no boots on.
I was shaking in my shoes, in my tennis shoes.
Look, Dickies barbecue. It's got a lot of barbecue sauce. I don't want it all over in the car.
Yeah, that's
in the
true.
truck.
Yeah, so what are we gonna get? The rack of ribs. Look at this. It has celebrating summer favorites rack of ribs. So should we get that or get sandwiches, babe? Like pulled pork. What should we get?
I know the pulled pork sandwiches, they're having a special on them for like $6 something.
Okay, so we'll see. But if we do the math, it might even be cheaper just to get the rack. Me, you, and Sean, and Kendra. You know, because I'm only gonna eat much as a kid because of gastric sleeve. Baby boy.
And then we're gonna, Eliott requested some okra to take home to her. So
and Dickies okra is
phenomenal.
It really is good. Yeah, Sean, they have okra.
Guys, we were gonna get Bush's chicken, but guess who said no?
Who said no?
The man that's holding the camera.
Oh.
Really? Look at that face.
The girl that is by him.
That's not a girl. Oh, he called you a girl. Little. Dang. That is a woman. You better respect your mama.
You said no to Bush's chicken, and you know Bush's chicken good.
He want Bush's chicken.
Yeah, but we're gonna get here. We'll record what we get. Usually come here on Sundays because kids eat free. Ain't that right, babe?
Yes.
But you know, just quick one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Texas style, slow smoked. Yeah, I see you. Look at that menu. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Oh yeah, here's our ribs.
I got one.
Yeah, we have okra, some macaroni. Looks good, y'all. This is our lunch today. Ooh, wait, he turned them ribs. Oh, y'all, look at him. Ain't that right, Kenneth? Uh-huh. How's it, mommy?
These are good.
They're good, huh?
Very great ribs.
Yep. How about it, Sean? What do you think? He's not saying much. His ice cream. Dickies provides free ice cream, of course.
Snatch my ice cream out. You know, like, oh, I don't want it back now.
Oh, now you giving it back? Sean got his. Come on, let's go, Kenneth. He didn't finish. Kendrick didn't finish his food. I do not like throwing food away. What, Sean?
Kendrick never eats a whole plate unless he's super hungry.
Yeah, he don't eat all this food usually. Oh my gosh. At Home Depot now. We got to do some returns. Deshaun's helping me wheelbarrow this in. Honestly, y'all, I don't think they're going to take it back. Look how dirty it is. I tried to spray it off and clean it, but yeah.
But it's the old thing.
Yeah, from Home Depot, they didn't give any problems with the return, even though it has some mud on it. I was like, But I got this for our Suncell. Our Suncell, the tension, it went past the threads. So with Loctite, if it's unthreading or unscrewing by itself, this will help. As well, I got these locks to go on the clamps to hold the Suncell to each corner of the pole. This is for the pole. This is JB Weld. If you haven't heard about it, it's basically for metal or anything. Oh, so we wake up today. There's a situation. Our pool is a lot lower than last night. It was filled up, I would say, it wasn't that close to those two gray little parts where it sucks in. I wonder, is there a leak in our pool? Deshaun, you think there's a leak? You think there's a leak? Well, look around the whole pool. We'll find out if it's like draining anywhere. So Sean said there's, oh no. Those are puddles around the pool. No!
What?
He's pissed. I don't know why.
What in the world? Yeah, there's a leak. But it seems like it's on this side. So I looked up on YouTube. The only way to fix a leak yourself without hiring a service is to basically get some dye, like food coloring, and go around the bottom of the pool. The hole will suck the food coloring down, basically. That's how you'll know where the leak is, I guess. So me and Sean are gonna go get some food coloring and try it. Yeah, I know the bees, but you know what? You know what, Sean? Remember how we had to vacuum it every day and we were like, why is it always dirty? That's why. This whole time there was probably a small hole. Now we're at the pool shop. Mom's here. Say hi, Mom.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, I told everybody and I showed them where it's kind of leaking. So we're going to get in here and try to find a special dye so we can find it. If I'm not able to fix it myself,
we're going to have to call in some specialists because there was way too much invested time, money, everything put into this pool. It's not just, oh, let's buy a pool and you set it up and fill water in it. It doesn't work like that.
No.
It's like a lot of maintenance and time and money. And we can't afford to not have a pool after all spending all this stuff.
Right, right. And Deshaun loves the pool. Ain't that right, Sean?
It's great exercise for the kids, y'all. Deshaun and Eliott and Cash have been dedicated going into the pool all the time. They get their little exercises in. So, Lord, please let this be a good fix that we can do. Because we need this pool, baby.
Yeah, put your hands up. Hey, let's get in the pool shop, y'all. Let's get what we need. Look at this, water sports. Ooh, it's on clearance. $62 you can put. Oh, that's cool. It drills into your pool. Look at that. It's volleyball and basketball.
Oh, that is cool.
That is cool. 62. This is clearance.
We have service supplies and water now.
So, do they provide services then?
Yeah, they do.
So let's ask them how much their service is. Let's just ask that before we look for the dye, huh?
Yes.
We can get that pool. Is that a basketball?
That's just the basketball.
Oh, that's just a regular basketball hoop on the side of the pool.
$49.99.
$49. Oh, cool. Go ahead, Shawnee, open this up. There's the pool shop. Oh, look at that little toy. Faith would love that.
I would love it.
Swim pals. That's cute.
We have this one that's the vinyl and glue with a little cotton swab on it. Only this one's more like a peel and stick one, which you can use underwater. I'm pretty sure it's only the one you can use underwater. So.
Okay, that's what we need. Is something because I think the leak's on the bottom somewhere. So, what's the situation, babe?
So they do not do above ground pools, and
They do, yeah.
and they don't, and they don't know anybody who does above ground pools.
And that's what sucks.
That sucks. But they did have some vinyl patch or some patches, right?
Yeah, it says peel and stick for vinyl, so we're gonna give that a shot and see how it comes out. And we have to go get some food coloring so we can find a leak. We try to do it ourselves without having to pay a service, because paying a service, I don't know, probably costs a couple $100. Comment down below if you know how much it costs to repair a pool leak. I don't know.
Or if you know of
Somebody in Arizona.
somebody in Arizona
Yeah.
who does pool repairs.
Fire squad's growing. There's some folks in Arizona now, so.
Yeah.
In Walmart right now, we're gonna get the food coloring dye for the pool. Where would it be at, babe? Where
In the bakery
Walmart?
aisle.
The bakery aisle?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, food coloring, y'all. Comment down below. Would we find it in the bakery section?
I would like to see it.
I don't see food coloring. K Money said it should be over here,
It should be over here.
but I don't see it. Huh. K Money's like, babe, food coloring, food, because I'm like, it should be in the pool section. I don't know, y'all. I don't see it.
Okay, maybe over by the seasonings right here.
By the seasonings? I don't know.
By the Jello.
By the Jello, yeah.
Here's the Jello.
Here's the Jello. Could be over here. Come on. Oh, come on. The dollar store might have it.
We in here.
Oh, Lord. You found it?
Yeah.
She said right here. Oh, there we go.
Egg color and egg dye. Food
Hopefully.
color and egg dye.
All right, that's what we gotta do. That's gel. That's not the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. We're gonna try it. They said this will work. It's $2.96.
Hey, what's up, Eliott family? All right, so we have this patch. We're back home. We have to try to find out where the hole is. The babies are crying because they want to get in the pool too, but right now it's business. So A-Train's in the water. Wait right there, Kendrick. Hold on, baby. We got to try to find this hole. There's a hole in here.
It seems like it's over here in this crack.
Oh my God. It has to be over here because there's so much water. Yo, look at all the water. Don't get in the mud, Faith.
No, it's in the middle. It's in the car.
Oh, I think it's supposed to suction towards where the hole is. Faith, give me a second. Give me a second, baby. Alright, y'all, so I am outside the pool right now. This, y'all see all the red dye? It came through. Let me show y'all. Look at all this red dye, and everything's muddy because the pool's been leaking. Look at all that red dye. There's clearly a leak.
And it's
So-
right here. I know. It's right there somewhere on the floor.
It's right here somewhere.
Yeah, on the floor.
So this, it's definitely,
I don't even know how it's leaking.
that's a lot of dye
Mom, I
that
don't
came
even know
out.
how it's-
Coming out. If it came out.
Look at y'all. You could tell by the step. The water's just been emptying. And that's what all this is down here. It's like mud. It's creating puddles of water, mud, everything. Messing up our sod.
So now we got to refill the pool after I hold this down for a little bit.
Shall we start that process?
Yeah.
Mom,
Let's be done. So let's see how much longer it's gonna take. Oh, there's another hole. Oh my God, y'all. I'm looking up Sam's Club right now. We got the pool from Sam's Club, and
Put your toe right here.
it is guaranteed. It has a guarantee for the pool, so that's good.
Put your toe right
But
here.
why does it have two holes?
Because there's rocks under it that weren't cleared out. But we
Lord.
try to clear it out best as we can.
but it's little rocks.
The dye. Where's the other hole?
Don't be looking at me. Hey, Fire Squad. It's been about a few hours. I am refilling up the pool. But let me show you something that I think is amazing. Remember that puddle earlier? Well, look at it now. It must have stopped leaking out because remember, that puddle was from here to here. So that's the only area where it is. If that goes away, dissipates, then we know for sure the leak is gone. Down in the description box below, there's a link to us first time getting a pool. The kids were so excited, and you'll see why it's such a big deal for us to repair this pool. You all, of course, stay blessed and highly favored. We love y'all. Peace.